Bukod sa mga posibleng ipatawag na testigo, inaabangan din ng marami ang mga ebidensyang ipepresenta sa impeachment trial. Kasama na riyan ang BIR box na pinili noong wag nang buksan sa House Committee hearings. Nakatutok si Daniel Manalastas.
Mabubuksan ba o hindi ang kontrobersyal na BIR box na pinaniniwala naglalaman ng tax records kaugnay kay Vice President Sara Duterte? Ang sagot dyan ng Clerk of Senate Impeachment Court, wala pa.
I don't have information if there have been any discussion on it. They asked that the box be opened, inventoried, and remarked. That's something that the pre-trial conference that the clerk of court cannot decide on. The box is with us. Based on the records that I reviewed, it was acknowledged.
Pero git ang prosekusyon, isusulong nila na mabuksan ito o di kaya naman ay mamarkahan.
But I'm quite certain there will be a marking today of the box itself. I think that is what will happen today. Maybe the box will be marked itself.
Pinaliwanag pa ni Redon kung bakit mahalaga ang ebidensyang ito.
Tapat po nito yung SALN ng pangalawang Pangulo from 2007 to 2024. Kasi this will provide a most complete picture of the financial profile of the Vice President. Kasi yun po yung mag-serve as a baseline nung pong actual po niyang kayamanan.
Sabi naman ng depensa, maghahain sila ng sagot bukas tungkol sa BIR box. Daniel Manalastas, IBC News.